we're gonna get inspired by another wig from It's a Wig. So of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. This wig is from an online company called NYC Express Trendz. I don't know if you saw it, but I did another review for them with this cotton candy. It's a wig dream right here. The links are down below for everything. So this wig is actually in the style Swiss Lace Dollin. Yes, and I believe she's gonna be a doll. So I decided to get her in this magical color, TT Peach Pink. I'm obsessed with all pink wigs, and they threw in the color peach, and I was just like, you know, that just sounds like a dream that I need to have on my head. So let's just take a look at her. So she, as you can see, she has these peachy kind of underneath, kind of on the top tone, which is really interesting, peach, and then it just fades into this awesome bubblegum pink color, which definitely is one of my most favorite tones of a pink wig. What's also really nice about this wig is that her roots are actually like a very dark brown, and I do feel like it has like the very slightest like kind of reddish tone, so it just complements this peach color to the pink. Even though it's not red, but I just feel like it's a little bit warmer of a brown. Let's just take a look at the construction. So she does have medium colored lace right here, and then she has about a 4-inch parting right here, so that's really great. She has 2 smaller combs right here in the front, and then she also has a larger comb right here in the back. She also has a medium cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work out for you. So let me just pull her back so you can really see these awesome curls, and I do feel like she's about 22 inches or so, and then of course she does have a little bit of layering, some very long layers, so she's just gonna look very dreamy, and I just literally cannot wait to put her on. So let's put her on. All right, so I have a nude wig cap, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. I really love these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. No lie, she already feels so good on my head. So let's take a look at her hairline really quick. So she isn't bad, but you know, pre-plucking that hairline and the parting is key for your best wig life ever. So let's cut off the lace really quick and see what she's all about. Awesome, so now I'm gonna take my wig brush and I'm just gonna brush her out very lightly. Wow, look at this gorgeous girl. Oh my gosh, she is very soft. The hair is very soft, and I do feel like from brushing her out, she has very minimal to average shedding, nothing aggressive, and I'm just loving, like when I was brushing her out, like seeing this underneath peach right here, just really loving that. Loving it so much, and I'm always in love with these very soft, I call them romantic curls. Now here she is down the center. I'm gonna shift her part with the wig cap so we can see what kind of different looks she can give. So I'm gonna first shift her to my left eyebrow, which is my usual parting that I part my hair. See what kind of look she gives. Ooh, I do like this. This is definitely great. She also is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So if I did want to keep it on this side, I probably want to straighten or like recurl this front area right here. But she is heat safe, so you can customize her all you want. So let's shift her to the right parting. Oh, you know, I do like this side the most. Whoa, look at this. I feel like this is meant for this side. This front little curl, oh my God, it's just doing so much life for me. I just feel like a little bit of a screen siren, right? And I love this peachy little color right here, which is all underneath kind of like this first layer. So it kind of just like does a little peekaboo with that color, and I just love it. And I'm loving these dark brown roots as well. Great compliment to this very soft colored. So this wig is from NYC Express Trendz, and it's from It's a Wig, and her name is Swiss Lace Dollin. So let me know if you have this wig, or if you have this wig in another color. I would love to know and see you in these wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you and your wigs and your makeup and being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a peachy pink wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it.